In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or update your vehicle in the Dasher app. Whether you're brand new or just switching how you deliver, this quick walkthrough will help you update your vehicle so you receive the right types of orders for your setup. We'll move step by step, and I'll share a few helpful notes along the way so everything goes smoothly. Start by opening the Dasher app on your phone. From the home screen, look toward the top left corner for the account icon. It may look like a profile or menu button, depending on your device. Tap that to open your account page. This is your hub for personal settings and anything related to your profile and vehicles. Next, find the section for managing your vehicle. On most devices, you'll see vehicle management listed right in the account page. If you're on certain Android versions, the path may look a little different. Tap account details, then choose view my vehicles. Both paths take you to the same place where you can see your current vehicle information and make changes as needed. To add a new vehicle, look for the option labeled Add New Vehicle and tap it. This will open a simple form where you'll enter the details the app needs to assign the correct orders and make sure your account stays compliant. Now fill in the vehicle information. Start by selecting the vehicle type like car, bike or scooter. If you're adding a car, you may be asked to enter the make and model. Keep this accurate so the system recognizes exactly what you're driving. If the app prompts you to verify insurance, follow the on-screen instructions. This can vary by location and by vehicle type, and it's important to complete it if requested so you don't run into delays receiving orders. Once everything looks correct, tap Add Vehicle to save your changes. Here's a quick tip. If you're switching from a car to a bike, updating your vehicle type is key. The app uses this information to match you with orders that make sense for your mode of transportation. For example, bikes might be assigned shorter distance deliveries or routes that avoid highways. Keeping your vehicle type up to date helps you get the right requests and can improve your overall experience. That's it. You've opened the account page, navigated to vehicle management, added a new vehicle, entered the details, verified anything required, and saved it. If you ever need to adjust your setup again, just repeat these steps. Thanks for watching and happy dashing.